Guys, Rob here with another YouTube video, and you're probably wondering why are you staring at a vacuum cleaner, and the reason why is because I am cleaning my PlayStation 3 today. Yes, it's been making a weird vacuum noise. I guess it's because from the vent holes, not that much air is escaping out. As you can see, it's just clogged up with nothing but dust. And I cleaned up these vent holes already. I don't know if you can really see them. Get some light. These are all cleaned up already. They're all free to space. And basically what I do is I just get a little brush, something similar like this. Run it through the vent holes real quick. Let's get some better angle view of this. Basically what you want to do is just brush off some of the dust that's on top. Check out some of that dust that's on top. And for all you subscribers that are subscribed to my YouTube channel, I know I haven't been posting that many YouTube videos lately due to the fact that my laptop is down right now. Trying to find an affordable charger at this very moment. That's the main reason what's going on with it. I just need to charge my laptop, but Dell wants like almost $80 for a fucking charger, and I'm not paying for that. So I've been researching around, and I think Walmart has one for about $50, universal charger. So I should be able to get that somewhere soon. Hopefully I get it in time before Mom of the Dead comes out, so I can post my my first attempt online. But yeah, I'm just kind of busy right now with work and doing my best to get this gaming channel going, the new one, and I just need my laptop to go. But once I do that, it will be up and running. Now, fixing to turn on this vacuum cleaner, and if it's a little loud, excuse it. Look at all the dust, it's just getting sucked out. Alright, see how she's looking in there? It's mostly cleared up. You see some right here. Oh, there's a little bit on there. But yeah, this is how you usually, this is how I clean my PS3. And it just frees up the dust from the vent hole so your PlayStation could breathe a little bit better. Ooh, I kind of scratched my PlayStation right here. I got a little buffing pad for that. I'll take it off. But yeah, guys, I know that I haven't been posting videos due to the fact that my laptop is down, and hopefully when I get it up and going, I will post videos. I have so much videos recorded on there. I'm just anxious to get this charger going, and hopefully when I do, I will post the videos. I know I have a couple of zombies videos that I have recorded before my laptop went down, and I started doing multiplayer on Call of Duty Black Ops 2, and I got a few videos where I'm going to show you where I pretty much play like a noob on there, because if you know already, I'm not very much of a multiplayer fan. I picked up Black Ops 2 due to the fact because I am a zombies fan, and I've been playing a lot of multiplayer lately, and I'm getting kind of good. I have a few videos where I do pretty bad, which is pretty common in the Call of Duty world, because if you're not familiar with multiplayer and how the gameplay really works, you will look like a noob on there, believe me. But I've been practicing. I got a few videos where I have pretty badass kill streaks, a pretty badass KD ratio, so y'all stay tuned, man. Please don't think that this channel is dead or whatever because I have not uploaded any videos. I am still here. I am still breathing. It's just I am having technical difficulties, so please stay tuned. I am Slick Rob, signing out from Slick Rob TV. Stay tuned, subscribe, and I got a new gaming channel on the way. Peace out, guys.